8 Best Washing Machines in India 2019. 8. Whirlpool Ace Super Soak 8 kg Semi-Automatic Washing Machine Review. Easy to use, this product is just right for the Indian family budget. Available on Amazon, you can see the following features. Whirlpool Ace Super Soak. Easy to install and use. 8 kg semi-automatic machine makes it a fairly large one capable of catering to the normal Indian family. 3 wash programs make it efficient. 2 years warranty on the product. The inbuilt scrubber, spin shower, lint filter, and extendable work surface make it a pleasurable experience. The multi-utility tray, buzzer, and casters make it easy for the user. LG P7556R 3 Fa 6.5 kg Semi-Automatic Washing Machine Review. This semi-automatic washing machine can suit the budget of the average household. Available on Amazon, the attractive features are as follows. LG P7556R 3 Fa 6.5 kg. Easy to install and use. 6.5 kg semi-automatic top-loading machine. 3 wash programs depending on fabric and extent of soiling. The rollers ensure the removal of dust and mites from the clothes. The lint filter collects the fibers that come out while washing the clothes. Available in excellent dark blue color. Plastic cover comes with rat repellent chemical. Samsung WA62H4100HD/TH 6.2 kg top-load washing machine review. Having excellent looks, this Samsung machine is available on Amazon. The features are as follows. Samsung WA62H4100HD/TH. Fully automatic top-loading machine. 6.2 kg capacity suits the small Indian family. Low drying time because of air vents and a powered spin cycle. Diamond-shaped embossed drum protects clothes. 2 years comprehensive warranty on the product. 5. Whirlpool Whitemagic Premier 6.5 kilograms top load washing machine review. Whirlpool is a trusted brand in India. You get a free installation service as well when you buy this machine from Amazon. The following features make it attractive. Whirlpool Whitemagic Premier. Fully automatic top loading machine. 6.5 kilograms makes it right for the small Indian family of 3. Sixth Sense technology makes it a smart machine. Express wash facility speeds up the process. Auto tub clean facility makes it hygienic. Heavy duty steel spa drum. 12 wash programs like normal, express wash, heavy, delicate, whites, rinse plus spin, spin alone, and Aqua store. Hard water wash cycle facility available. 2-year warranty on the product with 10 years on motor. LGT 72 cmg 22p 6.2 kilograms top load washing machine review. Users can graduate to this automatic model from the semi-automatic machines easily. The features are attractive as well as easy to understand. One of the best top load washing machines available in the market. LGT 72 cmg 22p. Transparent window enables you to see what is happening inside. The machine has a punch plus 3 pulsator washing mode. 10 water level selection facility. Programs available to wash fuzzy wool, quick wash, and blankets as well. Additional programs like rinse, tub clean, silent and favorite. Uses cold water. Multi-water flow and turbo drum ensures powerful washing. Waterfall circulation and smart filters make your job easy. 6.2 kilograms top loading machine. 2-year warranty on product and 10 years on motor. Bosch WAK2016001N 7 kg front load washing machine review. Get international standards of washing with this front loading machine. You can check out the features here. Bosch WAK2016001N front load washing machine. Water and energy efficient. Vario drum feature enhances washing quality. LED display and foam detection system. Capable of detecting unbalanced loads. Provides multiple water protection. Super quick 15 technology freshens laundry in 15 minutes flat. Speed perfect technology increases speed by 65%. 2-year warranty on the product with 10 years on motor. IFB Senator Aqua SX 8 kg front load washing machine review. Attractive offers available on Amazon makes it very popular. IFB Senator Aqua is one of the best-selling washing machines in India. Check out the features here. IFB Senator Aqua SX. 8 kg capacity makes it a large machine. Front-loading facility. Unique tub clean facility eliminates impurities, scaling, unpleasant smell, and bacteria. 4-year warranty on the product. Wash your heavy clothes easily. 1 wash care program. $1.LGFH0B8NDL22 6 kg front-load washing machine review. Available on Amazon, you get attractive discounts when you opt for this machine. Here are its salient features. LGFH0B8NDL22 6 kg front-load washing machine. Fully automatic washing machine with front-loading features. Capacity of 6 kg suits the normal India household. 6-motion DD technology. Inverter and direct drive technology combination improves user experience and reduces noise, vibrations, and electrical consumption. Smart washing machine with diagnosis facility. Multiple wash systems like rinse hold, tub clean, pre-wash, and so on. 2-year warranty on the machine with 10 years on the motor.